Lesson: Risk Management Frameworks for AI. Risk management frameworks for AI are essential components in the governance and ethical deployment of artificial intelligence systems. As AI technologies progressively permeate various sectors, the need for robust risk management frameworks becomes increasingly critical. These frameworks not only mitigate potential risks associated with AI, but also ensure the technology aligns with societal values, legal standards, and ethical principles. This lesson will explore actionable insights, practical tools, and frameworks that professionals can implement directly to manage risks in AI systems effectively. One of the primary frameworks for managing AI risks is the NIST AI Risk Management Framework. The National Institute of Standards and Technology developed this framework to guide organizations in integrating risk management processes into their AI systems. It emphasizes the importance of understanding AI risks, managing them through structured processes, and continuously monitoring AI systems for emerging threats. A practical application of the NIST AI RMF involves the identification of risks during the development phase of AI models. For instance, a company developing an AI for facial recognition can utilize this framework to assess potential biases and privacy concerns, ensuring these are addressed before deployment. Another significant framework is the European Union's Ethics Guidelines for Trustworthy AI, which highlights the importance of ethical principles in AI development. These guidelines propose 7 key requirements: human agency and oversight, technical robustness and safety, privacy and data governance, transparency, diversity, non-discrimination and fairness, societal and environmental well-being, and accountability. By adhering to these principles, organizations can design AI systems that are not only effective, but also ethical. For instance, an AI-driven recruitment tool can be audited using these guidelines to ensure it does not discriminate against candidates based on gender or ethnicity. The ISO 38500 standard, though originally designed for IT governance, provides valuable insights into AI risk management. It focuses on 6 principles: responsibility, strategy, acquisition, performance, conformance, and human behavior. Applying these principles to AI, organizations can ensure that AI initiatives align with business objectives while maintaining compliance with relevant laws and standards. For example, a financial institution using AI for loan approvals can utilize these principles to ensure the system performs as intended and complies with financial regulations. Practical tools such as risk assessment matrices and AI ethics checklists are invaluable in applying these frameworks. A risk assessment matrix helps organizations categorize potential AI risks based on their severity and likelihood. This tool enables stakeholders to prioritize risks and allocate resources effectively. For instance, a healthcare provider implementing AI for patient diagnosis can use a risk assessment matrix to identify high-risk scenarios, such as incorrect diagnoses, and develop mitigation strategies accordingly. AI ethics checklists serve as practical guides for ensuring AI systems comply with ethical standards. These checklists typically include questions related to data privacy, bias, transparency, and user impact. A company deploying an AI chatbot can employ an ethics checklist to verify that the chatbot respects user privacy and provides transparent information about its functionality. Case studies provide valuable insights into the real-world application of risk management frameworks. A notable example is the use of AI in the criminal justice system, particularly in predictive policing. Several jurisdictions have faced challenges with AI systems exhibiting racial biases in crime prediction models. By applying comprehensive risk management frameworks, these jurisdictions have been able to identify biases and implement corrective measures, thereby enhancing the fairness and accuracy of their AI systems. Statistics highlight the growing importance of risk management in AI. According to a survey by PwC, 76% of organizations consider AI ethics and risk management as critical issues. This statistic underscores the necessity for established frameworks and tools to navigate the complexities of AI deployment responsibly. Implementing these frameworks requires a step-by-step approach. Initially, organizations must conduct a comprehensive risk assessment to identify potential risks associated with their AI systems. This involves evaluating the data used, the algorithms applied, and the potential impact of AI decisions on stakeholders. Following this, organizations should develop a risk management plan that outlines strategies for mitigating identified risks. This plan should incorporate both technical measures, such as algorithmic audits and bias detection tools, and organizational measures, such as training and awareness programs. Continuous monitoring and evaluation are integral to effective risk management. AI systems should be regularly assessed to detect new risks and evaluate the effectiveness of existing mitigation strategies. This process involves collecting feedback from users, analyzing system performance, and updating risk management plans accordingly. For instance, an e-commerce platform using AI for personalized recommendations should monitor user feedback to identify any issues with the accuracy or fairness of the recommendations. Effective communication is also crucial in managing AI risks. Organizations must ensure that stakeholders, including employees, customers, and regulators, are informed about the AI system's capabilities, limitations, and associated risks. This transparency fosters trust and facilitates collaborative efforts in addressing AI-related challenges. For example, a government agency deploying AI for public services should communicate clearly with citizens about how the AI system works and what measures are in place to protect their data. The integration of AI risk management frameworks into organizational practices requires a cultural shift towards ethical AI development. Organizations should foster a culture of responsibility and accountability, where ethical considerations are embedded in every stage of the AI lifecycle. This involves training employees on AI ethics, establishing clear governance structures, and promoting a mindset of continuous learning and improvement. In conclusion, risk management frameworks for AI are essential for ensuring the responsible and ethical deployment of AI systems. By utilizing frameworks such as the NIST AI RMF, the EU's ethics guidelines for trustworthy AI, and the ISO IEC 38500 standard, organizations can effectively manage AI risks and align their AI initiatives with ethical, legal, and societal expectations. Practical tools such as risk assessment matrices and AI ethics checklists provide actionable insights for professionals to implement these frameworks. Case studies and statistics further illustrate the importance and effectiveness of comprehensive risk management in AI. Ultimately, the successful integration of these frameworks requires a commitment to transparency, continuous monitoring, and a culture of ethical AI development.